Hi and welcome back. I'm so happy to finally be able to share the full unboxing video of the new Succuland HBox sent to me from H la Cosedora. I've been sharing sneak peeks and lots more on my Instagram, so if you're not following me yet, I invite you to stop by so you don't miss out and check out the hashtag HBox to see everyone's designs. The new collections will now come in this beautiful box with a sleeve design for each theme. This one is called Succulent, and besides the stamping plates and polishes, it includes a few gifts like this collectible mini stamping plate and scraper card, stickers, as well as a cute little bag with a beautiful design created by H's brother. Inside the little bag, I found the 5 brand new stamping polishes wrapped with this sleeve that says esmaltes, which means polishes. Only one of mine has a label because they had to rush to get it to me in time for the release, but they all have the cutest names. These will be part of the permanent collection of polishes, and so will the 2 new stamping plates. Aren't they gorgeous? I love these shades. Let's open up the plates. They come in a sleeve to protect them. Since they are acrylic plates, the instructions on the back recommend using acetone-free nail polish remover to clean them. Let's take a closer look at the first one called H's Garden. She really squeezed in lots of cute designs, so we have many options to create unique nail art. Feel free to pause the video to see each one. On the back, we have another gorgeous work of art. The second plate is Call Me Flower, and this one has more of a floral design and includes abstract images that can be layered to create unique manicures. Both are stunning, and I've been having so much fun creating nail art with them. Which one was your favorite? Leave a comment and let me know. That's all I have for you guys today. I wanted to let you know that as part of the H team, I have an affiliate link and discount code which you can always use when you purchase something at hlacosedora.com. I want to take a moment to once again say thank you to everyone who has used my discount code. I get a small commission when you go through my link and use my code, which is really nice. But if you don't want to, you can also go directly to her page by searching for hlacosedora.com. I'll share my link in the description box below, as well as my discount code Jenny10. Thank you to H and her team for another beautiful collection. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!